Hello students, welcome to our second session of chapter number 1, that is your food, where does it come from? In this session we are going to solve our book exercise, but before that I want to tell you that you have to write down all the question answers of your exercise in your notebook. If you are not have any notebook, you can write them in a loose sheet and arrange them in a file so that whenever school will run, I can check your notebooks. So in a previous session, I had given you some homework that you have to solve your fill in the blanks. I hope you all have done it already, but again, I am telling you the answer of these fill in the blanks. Our first fill up is the method used to remove grains from their stalk is called your threshing. Second fill up is people in South India prefer to eat mostly rice. Third, honeybees collect dash from flowers to prepare honey. They collect nectar from the flowers. Fourth, in potato, food is stored in dash of its plant. Which part of the plant potato food is stored? It gets stored in the stem of the plant. Next, dash are the rich sources of energy. Yes, cereals are the rich source of energy. Tiger is a what kind of an animal? It's a carnivore. Very good. Now we come to the true false statement. Our first statement is radish and carrot are roots. Yes, it's true. Radish and carrots are root. Second statement is cauliflower and broccoli are flower birds. Yes, it's also a true statement. Next comes your herbivore eat plants and animals both. False. Herbivores only eat plant products. Next come your humans are omnivore. Yes, they are omnivores. True. Next, the parasites usually harm their host. The statement is also true because parasites always harm their host plant. Next comes to your one word answers. You have to give one word for the statement. Our first statement is animals that eat only plant and plant products are known as herbivores. Second, cleaning agents of environment are, it may be your decomposers or scavengers. You can write anyone from them. Next comes straw like mouth part in butterflies to suck the nectar is known as proboscis. The mouth of butterfly is known as your proboscis. Next comes food eaten regularly at a particular time of the day is called your what? Yes, it is called as your meal. Next comes it provides food and shelter to the parasite. Where do the parasite reside? Yes, it is known as your host. Now we come to the multiple choice questions. Here question answers are being given. I also mention answers below the page, so you can tally them from there also. Our first MCQ is which of these is a stem used as food? Which one of these is? Yes, it's your potato. So the correct option of question number 1 is A. Second question, the rich source of sugar is yam? No, it's not yam. It's sugarcane. Very good. Next, third question is honeybees store honey in. Where does the honeybee store their honey? Yes, it stores its honey in hives. Very good. Next question number 4. Which doesn't belong to herbivore category? Which animal doesn't belong to an herbivore category from these 4? Yes, it's a bear. Fifth question. Which of these food is obtained from animals? It may be curd, tea, spices or maize. Yes, it's curd. So you can tell your answers from these also. Here first one questions correct option is A. For second question correct option is B. For third question correct option is C. For fourth A, and for the fifth one is A. Now here is your homework that you have to solve this crossword. Here some pictures are being mentioned you as a clue and you have to solve them. But since if you are not able to recognize their name, I had given you some hint also. So by using these hints you can fill your crossword. I hope you complete your homework, and by tomorrow we are going to start with the question answers of this chapter. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.